Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Hazel Jane Beldera and with me is, what's your name? She's Everiel.
No.
You don't know your name. Anyway, I would like to congratulate Dwayne and Joanne on your wedding today. Hope you guys will enjoy your big day. And as part of the entourage or their principal sponsors list, I am very honored to be included
Mama,
and
look.
to be considered to be
Mama.
amongst the list. Hope you guys will always stand up for each other. We'll always choose each other. And most importantly, kay naa may kaldero diri, dapat ang atong partner, kung kinsa may naay time, dapat maglungag jud para dili magutman. Di ba, Ibi?
Di ba, Evie?
Yes! Anyway, joke lang to. Sa kaminyoon, dili ta kaingon nga it's always on the high side, always ecstatic, always happy. Naadyo panahon nga naay mga challenges sa atong kaminyoon.
I love to
So,
eat rice.
yeah.
Can I use it with my hands?
Later. So, ato dyan ibutang permente ang Ginoo sa sentro sa atong kaminyoon kay tanan problema, tanan challenges, atong ma-overcome kung naaang Dios. So, mao lang to Dwayne and Joanne. Hopefully someday I will be able to hang out with you guys. And congratulations! Bye!